Welcome to Adhithi's Classroom, where we talk about engineering, technology, and career guidance. If you're passionate about electronics, coding, and building intelligent systems, then a career in embedded systems engineering might be perfect for you. In this video, we'll explore what embedded systems are, skills you need, career paths, and job opportunities in this exciting field. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Embedded systems are miniature computers that control smart devices, from automobiles and medical devices to smartphones and IoT gadgets. Unlike traditional computers, they are designed for specific tasks, making them critical in modern technology. As an embedded systems engineer, you'll work on hardware and software to create efficient, real-time solutions in various industries. To become a successful embedded systems engineer, you must develop expertise in several key areas. First, programming skills are crucial, particularly in C, C++, Python, and embedded C, as they are widely used in firmware development. Next, you need knowledge of microcontrollers and microprocessors, such as ARM, AVR, PIC, and ESP32. Understanding circuit design and PCB layout will help you build efficient hardware. Additionally, learning operating systems like embedded Linux and real-time operating systems is beneficial for handling complex real-time applications. Finally, proficiency in debugging and testing tools, including oscilloscopes, logic analyzers, and JTAG debuggers, will improve your troubleshooting skills. A career in embedded systems opens doors to various roles. You can become an embedded software engineer, focusing on firmware development and low-level programming, or a hardware design engineer, working on PCB design and microcontroller selection. If you are interested in the Internet of Things, IoT, you can become an IoT developer, creating smart connected devices. Those passionate about the automotive industry can pursue a career as an automotive embedded engineer, working on engine control units, ECUs, and ADAS systems. Finally, if you want to explore robotics, you can specialize as an AI and robotics engineer, designing real-time AI-driven embedded solutions. Embedded systems are used in numerous industries. In automotive, embedded technology powers self-driving cars, ADAS, and ECUs. In healthcare, medical devices like ECG monitors, pacemakers, and wearable health trackers rely on embedded systems. The IoT industry leverages embedded systems in smart home automation, security devices, and industrial monitoring. In defense and aerospace, embedded technology is used in drones, missile guidance systems, and communication networks. Finally, consumer electronics such as smartphones, gaming consoles, and home appliances heavily depend on embedded systems. If you want to start learning embedded systems, there are several great resources available. For online courses, platforms like Coursera, Udemy, NPTEL, and MIT OpenCourseWare offer beginner-friendly and advanced programs. If you prefer books, consider reading Embedded C Programming and ARM Cortex-M for beginners to build a strong foundation. Working on hands-on projects, such as IoT applications, robotics, or automation systems, will strengthen your practical skills. Finally, gaining internships and real-world experience in embedded development will prepare you for job opportunities in the field. Embedded systems engineering is a future-proof career that plays a key role in AI, IoT, robotics, and automation. Whether you are a student or a professional, start learning microcontrollers, firmware programming, and real-time operating systems today to build a successful career in this field. What excites you the most about embedded systems? Let us know in the comments.